Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your one-stop channel for making those tough purchasing decisions a whole lot easier. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums with a showdown between two heavyweights, the Roborock Q Revo and the Roborock Q5 Max Plus. Buckle up because things are about to get clean. First things first, let's talk about the big elephant in the room, the price. On the left, we have the Roborock Q Revo priced at a jaw-dropping $899. This guy thinks it's the Ferrari of vacuums. Meanwhile, on the right, the Roborock Q5 Max Plus is a bit more down-to-earth at $599. It's like comparing a high-end steakhouse to a really good burger joint. Both get the job done, but one leaves a bigger dent in your wallet. Next up, let's talk about their docking stations. The Q Revo's dock is like a luxury spa for your vacuum. It's got auto mop washing and hot air drying. It's basically the vacuum equivalent of a butler, and it can keep you hands-free for up to 7 weeks. On the other hand, Q5 Max Plus also offers 7 weeks of hands-free cleaning, but without all the fancy spa treatments. It's more like a quick stop at a gas station. Efficient, but not exactly luxurious. Now, if you've ever spilled soda on your floor and left it there to become a sticky nightmare, the Q Revo has got your back with dual spinning mops that spin at 200 RPM. This thing can clean up dried-on spills like it's wiping away your bad decisions. The Q5 Max Plus, however, is more of a vacuuming maestro. It doesn't have the mopping finesse, but it can still suck up your mess with its 5,500 PA suction power. It's like the vacuum equivalent of a personal trainer. No messing around. Speaking of suction, both vacuums boast a beastly 5,500 PA suction. That's like having a tiny tornado in your house, but a friendly one that only wants to clean. They can both handle anything from hardwood to carpet, but the Q Revo takes it a step further with an all-rubber brush that reduces hair tangles. No more wrestling with your vacuum to get the pet hair out. The Q5 Max Plus has a duo roller brush that's also designed to minimize tangling, so your vacuum doesn't end up looking like Cousin Eat. When it comes to navigating your home, both vacuums are like expert pilots with their PressaSense LiDAR navigation systems. They create detailed 3D maps that make them look like they've got a PhD in floor plans. The Q Revo takes it up a notch with reactive tech obstacle avoidance. It's like having a sixth sense for hazards. Meanwhile, the Q5 Max Plus is no slouch. It can navigate multiple levels and adapt to different environments. It's basically the MacGyver of robot vacuums. Lastly, let's talk about how you control these bad boys. The Q Revo offers standard app control, but the Q5 Max Plus takes it to the next level with voice control. Just say the magic word to Alexa, Siri, or Google Home, and it's like you have a cleaning genie at your command. Alexa, clean my mess, and poof, it's done. Amazon reviewers have a lot to say about both these models. For the Roborock Q Revo, users love its strong suction, effective mopping, and advanced navigation, although some experienced initial issues that were resolved with firmware updates. Pet owners particularly appreciate its ability to avoid pet waste and maintain a clean home. On the other hand, the Roborock Q5 Max Plus is praised for its smart navigation, ease of use, and affordability. It's highly effective for picking up fine dust and pet hair, making it a hit among pet owners as well. Both models require regular maintenance to ensure optimal performance. So there you have it, folks. The Roborock Q Revo and the Roborock Q5 Max Plus. Two champions in the ring, each with their own unique strengths. If you're all about those fancy features and don't mind splurging, the Q Revo is your go-to. But if you want a solid, reliable vacuum that won't break the bank, the Q5 Max Plus is your new best friend. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep shopping smart, and may your floors always be spotless.